Hello, in this video I will show you how to place such a cabinet here in the middle of the wall or somewhere on the wall here, and place another cabinet 45 degrees to this first cabinet. First of all, let me go ahead and activate the top plate here, cover panel. I will do an overlap on the front as well as on the back of 20 millimeters and apply the same material. Then I will activate the visible back panel. Take note that the gap settings here are exactly the same as in the front settings. So if you want them to be flush to the top panel, for example, you need to go here in the settings and set the overlap accordingly. You could also set the overlap on the bottom, so you have a panel that's flush to the floor. Well, let's check the height here, 150, 152.5, and you end up with a panel that goes all the way to the floor. Then we go ahead and place this cabinet on the wall number 2. So the opening is on this direction. Then we go ahead and set the distance to the back of maybe 2000 here. And go ahead and copy this cabinet. Rotate it by minus 135 degrees. Then we go ahead and measure this edge here by clicking the Control key and making a left click on this point. Then do the same on this point here, and we get the difference of these 2 points in the 3D space. We take note of the displacement, which is in X 2833.05, and in Y 1103.05. Then we go to the other cabinet here, go to distance left, and put in the 2833.05 we just noted, and in Y direction, distance to the back 1103.05 millimeters, and then we end up with these two cabinets standing right next to each other. We then go ahead and make an export of the top view to be able to determine the overlaps that we need for the panels. So we then go ahead and go to the change tools. We select elongate, choose the edge of the top panel here, and then take note of the differences from the outside of the cabinet to the point where they meet each other. We have 244.28 to the right of the left cabinet, or cabinet number 1. We go ahead and set this accordingly. Overlap to the right, 244.28. and do the same for the second cabinet on the left hand side. $244.46, and now they meet each other here, and then we do the same for the visible back. Choose this line as well as this line, measure the distances, do the same for the other side. Go to the visible back panel, so we have 243.63 plus the 2.5 millimeters we had before, which equals to an overlap on the left of 246.13 millimeters. And on cabinet number 1 we have the 243.46 plus 2.5 millimeters equals to 245.96 millimeters. So these panels also match here. The miters need to be cut manually later on, as well as the connectors here between these two panels. And you can then go ahead and use the measurements that we just made, or use the drawing here. Take the edge of the cover panel and take a look where they meet. 252.67 on the top panel of the first cabinet. Go ahead and go to the editor, take the measurement 252.67, put it in here, go ahead and explode the contour and draw a new line here from this point to this point. Get rid of the lines we don't need anymore. Make the contour a polyline again. Save this, close the drawing, import the drawing and close the menu. And then we do the same for the other panel. Take the measurement here from the outer contour of the plate to the point where these two panels meet. Doesn't want to work that way, I guess. So we need to rotate the geometry first. Go to modify, move and rotate. Choose the outer parameter here. -135. Then we choose to measure again. And we end up with our measurement of 252.67. So we open the drawing. Go to the modify tools, enter the 252.67 here that we already have here. Select the contour first, sorry. Go to explode, draw a new line from this edge to the meeting point of these two lines. Then get rid of all the lines we don't need anymore. Make this a polyline again. Choose one of the lines that were already in the drawing when you opened the file. Hit save. Close the drawing. Import the contour and close this menu. And then you end up with these panels here. I hope this was helpful and have a nice day. Bye.